Hello guys, so let's begin with the problem maximum profit in job schedule. So in this problem, n jobs are given with their start time and end time, and each job a profit is there with respect to each job. So we need to select jobs such that their start time and end time do not overlap and sum of their profit is maximum. So I am going to solve this problem using DP plus binary search. So let's start to understand my approach by using the example 1, input 1. So here, first of all, I have sorted the end time 3, 4, 5, 6, and then start time is written corresponding to their each end time. So first of all, my idea is that I will calculate what is the maximum profit by selecting only that job. So let's see. So for the first job, there is no any previous job before that, so we can directly select it. So the profit related to it is 50. So 50 will add to my answer. Max profit for the first job is 50 and best profit till index 1 till job 1 is also 50. Again, for the job 2, start time is 2 and end time is 4. So each time we have to do a find the number that is less than equal to the current start time of the job. So here it is 2. So we need to find the number that is lesser than equal to in the end time. So there is no any number, so we cannot select any job if we want to select job number 2. So for job number 2, start time and end time profit is 10. So again 10, but best profit up to job 2 is 50. For job 3, start time is 3. So do a binary search, find the number that is lesser than equal to start time of the current job, that is 3. So it will give first job. So we can select first job as well as the third job. So the sum of the profits of first and third job is 50 plus 40, that is equals to 90. Similarly, best profit up to job 3 is 90 by selecting job 1 and 3. Similarly, for the job 4, do a binary search, find the number that is lesser than equal to time in the end time of the job. So it will again give job number 1. So the job number 1, the best profit up till job 1 is 50, and by adding the profit of the fourth job 70, that is, so 70 plus 50 becomes 120, and again the max best profit up to job 4 is 120. I hope so. At the last, we can see in the best profit array 120 is the maximum answer, that is the our final output. So I hope the problem, the input statement and my approach is clear. If it is not clear, then just see I'm implementing it and follow me. It will, you will get more clear about the approach and solution idea. Okay, so I need one 2D vector. First of all, name it as a job. So it's and iterate through start time dot size I plus plus, and first put this end time in the job 2D vector. So job dot push back end time, start time, comma, profit. So end time, start time, and profit. So we are ready with our job vector. Now sort it. So job dot begin, comma, job dot end. We need a vector, say name it as dp vector. Start time dot size, comma, initialize with 0. So for the first job, we will directly consider it into the answer. Dp of 0 equals to job 0, comma, profit is in the second index, this third index, that is denoted by 2. So 0 comma 2. So now it's okay. We need also a answer variable. We have in the last example, we have seen how the best profit. So this dp array vector is your the best profit vector. And now, so each time from index I equals to 1, because 0 is already considered, I considered it. So 1, so it starts from 1. So find, is there any job which can be selected by selecting the current job? So what to do for that? So we need to find that index. So for that, I'm going to find out the upper bound. So upper bound. So basically I have to do this in the job vector, but it is a 2D vector, so it is little overheaded to do it. So for that, to make it simple, I am again sorting this end time vector, so we can easily perform our operations. So now in the end time vector, I told you in my solution approach, just find the upper bound. Upper bound will give, so just do it. So end time dot begin, comma, end time dot end, job. We have to pass the current job starting time. So job I and starting time is in the second index, that is 1. Now so it will give or end time dot begin. So we will, in this way we will get the index, but it returns the index that is the number that is greater than the start time, but we want lesser than equal to, so -1, and it will give the index that we want to need. So just first check, if index is greater than equals to 0, it means that we will do simply dp of I equals to max of dp of I minus 1 comma dp of index, because this dp array is storing the max profit up to that index, plus job I 2. So or else, like as we see in the second job, for second job, uh, the start the start time is 2, but we did not get any job that is finished before the second job. So in that case we get index in negative, so we don't consider. But then what we consider here, so dp of I equals to max of dp of I minus 1 comma the current job or the current profit of that job, that is equals to job of I2, and each time just take the max of maximum profit. Each time just update your answer, and at last return answer. It's running fine, let me submit it. So it's get accepted. I hope the problem statement and the explanation and the implementation of code is clear to you. That's all for this problem.